This sweet and sour baked chicken is from northern Iran, Caspian Sea region, where people like their food extra tart. You can also make this sauce using beef, lamb, fish, or even vegetable. Start the recipe the day before you plan to serve it, so that the meat can marinate overnight. Preparation is very easy and ingredients are so humble. Let's start with chopping cilantro. We need half a cup cilantro. Chop 1 serrano pepper to very small pieces. And crush 2-3 garlic cloves. I'm using 6 boneless chicken thighs, but feel free to use your favorite meat and cut them in bite sizes. Grab a pinch of saffron and activate with boiling water. And leave it to the side for at least 20 minutes to allow aroma and color release. Chop 1 cup walnuts very finely. In a large mixing bowl, add 3 tablespoons olive oil and saffron liquid. Mix them together. Add sliced chicken and combine all together. Add crushed garlic and chopped peppers. Now add half a cup pomegranate molasses. But if you want more tangy flavor, add more molasses. Add finely chopped walnuts and salt and pepper and mix all together. Last but not least, add your chopped cilantro. Now cover the bowl and let it marinate in fridge overnight.
The next day.
Give it a good stir and transfer your meat and marinated sauce to a large casserole dish. Cover tight with aluminum foil and place in preheated 450 Fahrenheit for 45 to 60 minutes. And done! Very simple, very easy, and super delicious. You can serve it top of the rice or with a pita bread.